love Beyonce. Girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. It's chalky, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been before they could finish. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share of the call you up, they call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been not alone. But if you're alone, then it's same thing. No one else around you. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't rocking good. Say my name, you like the kind of state of it. Baby, could do all the same thing. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. No one else around you. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. Those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for blocking.
She's cute. She's taking it. What do y'all think? I think it's so cute. So different. Y'all, I'm not even ready to sit here in front. I'm upset. 10:14 p.m. I'll go back to school tomorrow. Nails not done, hair not done, wig about to return it because no, I was not feeling it. But now I have another dilemma. I have a wig, but it's dirty and I don't want to wash it. And it's not like the hair is dirty. Anyways, I'm putting alcohol on the lace to get the glue off because I don't know what else to do. I don't want to wash the hair. It won't dry quick enough for me to be able to like put it on. So
Flex a nigga, he from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be, I say for sure. Baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a bitch. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major lick. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist.
but that other wig I got off Amazon, I got a new lace tin, y'all, because my other one was too light. But this one I think is so perfect. I think it'll, like, you can't even see, like, period. I'm excited because I usually eat with the lace friends, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Last time it just wasn't like at all. Like, can y'all see it? It's a little dark. It'll be alright though. I'm about to watch some YouTube. I put my new case on, y'all. It's cute, ain't it? When I tell y'all none of my stuff has came except for Fashion Nova and Skims, not feeling it at all. Like, this is the worst. I'm not even gonna say this is the worst back to school like season, because last semester I had the flu and I was out for 2 weeks. I came back right to an exam. Was upset. But yeah, I'm about to just watch. I've been watching the Cancel podcast and Victory Marie, but I think I'm gonna finish the Cancel podcast. Y'all, I'm really praying that this works out, because it's really wrong with my natural hair. Like, I love wearing my natural hair out, but I was trying to get dolled up and everything just went like, I hate it. I really do. I cannot lie to you.
I know. But you got desire. Hey. Self-control has never been your thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a rod. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the rocks. How the fuck you keep so many secrets?
So update y'all. The braids, they done. Okay. Now we gotta put on the wig. This is supposed to be a blunt cut. First of all, why do it look so thin? I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of cute. But I don't have no bleach. Even if I wanted to do it, it still wasn't like, because I was gonna just go ahead and do it anyway. But I don't have bleach. Yeah. But I wanted like, just, I didn't want layers, first of all. I know that's a trend and everything now. But if I wanted layers, I would have specified or cut them myself. Don't give me a wig with layers. Why isn't it all one? Y'all, guess what time it is? Gotta be up super early in the morning. I think I'm gonna have to throw this glue away though, because it keeps like leaking.
It's the same women, we just in a different city. And later on I found out I was bad at here. Something you just can't afford, really honest. Sweet if I get caught up. I still wake up from dreams, I see my nigga on the stretch. I get high.
Also, I'm at school. Well, I'm at work, about to go to school. It's 10 o'clock. This morning was so hectic. It's my new water bottle I was talking about. It's so cute. Like, she is the moment. But yeah, fit check real quick. So I got on. But I'm taking this off, so I'll wear just this. First day of school vibes, period. I need to eat, so I'll probably just go to campus and then find something to eat. But I gotta put the camera up, so bye. It's not a day. Some classes I have are like really down to earth, and it's not really like course heavy, if you know what I'm saying. Like, it's a good amount of work. And my first class is like just a career exploration type class, which is normally like a freshman class, but I did want to take it just to see what other career opportunities I could go into, because I know what I want to do, but if all else fails, I could do something else in my degree too, you know. First class is career exploration class, so we basically just go and talk, and then we have like quizzes. She said she don't want to do homework, like she don't want us to have homework actually, or like there's no exam, but we do have like quizzes every day to make sure like we're paying attention, because it's a lot of guest speakers and she wants us to get the most out of the class. I have two students by the way, but they're both females. And then my second class, he's like funny, y'all. He's like so, I don't want to say laid back. He's more so like straightforward and to the point. Like, he doesn't want to have to over explain anything, so everything is simple. Like, I don't know, everything, it's just so structured, and I love that. There's no room for like question. Everything, like, he gave me a paper syllabus, y'all. I ain't had a paper syllabus since middle school. The wig started to slick back, and I didn't want it because it's the first day. I don't want to be too much in anybody's, you know, bubble and stuff like that, but yo, the wig, I was like, oh my gosh, no way it can be like that. But now we're in Mount Fuji, waiting on baby order 2 here, and it's right across the street from school, so yeah, I'm just waiting on him. And you know, that's where the bathroom is. That's where I just came out of that door. Sketch. I'm just gonna wait all day. I brought a laptop, well, not a laptop. I did bring my laptop and an iPad. There's a whole bunch of things I thought I would need for school. It's so loud in here, but I didn't need anything. Literally, they gave us everything, and everything, like, they like paper assignments and stuff like that. So, I think I'm gonna vibe with this class, but I do have 2 classes that are online. I already started. I got a head start on my first class. My second class I have not touched, so I'm gonna have to look into that one more. So yeah, I'll probably just finish up all the rest of the work that I have to do for this week tonight and tomorrow, and then we can just go from there. But I really feel so good. I really feel so good about the slow school year. I feel like it'll be great. Like it's a whole like 360. It started off crazy though because my nails getting done and my wig was on it back, but it's going okay. It's more to life than looking good, and I look good anyway. So. But yeah. Oh, I wanted to share all these cookies. My teacher gave us cookies. They're protein cookies. Look what they look like. And then I want to try them with Bay because he used to like protein snacks. And I was like, are they good? He was like, my teacher was like, they better be good. They was expensive. And I asked if I could take 2. Well, I said, can I have one of these? Because he had 3. And then, but I guess it's kind of all for the, like, my little thing. There isn't really nothing else to talk about yet. And basically getting the food. So, and I'll see y'all.